Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice delicious. To achieve truly delicious fried rice, start with day-old, cold rice. This prevents stickiness. Ensure your pan or wok is extremely hot before adding any ingredients, as high heat is key for that authentic stir-fried taste. Have all your components prepped and ready to go, as the cooking process moves very quickly. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient cooking experience. For the foundational flavors, you'll need good quality soy sauce, a touch of sesame oil, and a spoonful of oyster sauce for richness. Freshly minced garlic and ginger are non-negotiable for their aromatic punch. Common additions like scrambled eggs, vibrant green peas, and finely diced carrots not only add color, but also contribute to the overall texture and nutrition of your fried rice. Feel free to customize with your favorite proteins and vegetables. Begin by cooking any proteins, such as chicken or shrimp, and harder vegetables like carrots, removing them from the pan once done. Next, add your cold rice to the screaming hot pan, using your spatula to break up any clumps immediately. Incorporate the cooked proteins and vegetables, along with your sauces. Keep everything moving constantly in the pan, tossing and stirring vigorously to ensure every grain of rice is coated and heated through evenly. A crucial tip for perfect fried rice is to avoid overcrowding your pan. Cooking in smaller batches, if necessary, helps maintain that high heat. Always taste your fried rice as you go, adjusting the seasonings like soy sauce or a pinch of salt to your preference. Finally, a small dash of white pepper just before serving can elevate the flavor, adding a subtle warmth and complexity that truly makes it delicious.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.